This is Independent TV 7. 3 days after giving Igbos 48 hours to leave Yoruba land, here is what to know about the guy's statement. I went to the barbing salon yesterday for a haircut and met some people there waiting for their turns. So I took a seat and waited for my turn too. The guys there were talking about the recent happenings in the country and I joined in. We exchanged ideas and talked about what each person thought was the way forward. There in the salon, there were Yoruba guys, Igbo guys, Calabar, and other tribes, including Hausas, and we were all talking about the common good of the country. So ethnic segregation was totally absent in the discussion. Suddenly, a call came into the phone of the Igbo guy among us, and the first word he said when he answered the call was, "Mommy, good morning." And from there, we knew it was his mother. He was on the phone with Immediately he answered the call, it was his mother. His countenance became stressed as he kept saying repeatedly, "Mommy, stop worrying yourself. Nothing of that nature is happening here. Nobody gave us such order. Don't worry, I am safe. We are all safe here." When he ended the call, there was provocation on his face as he explained to us that his mother that just called, he said that his mother is based in the southeast and that she was telling him to pack his things and come back home immediately because she heard that the Yorubas have given the Igbos living in Lagos and other parts of Yoruba land a 48 hours ultimatum to leave Yoruba land. If not, they won't like what will happen to them. And the young man tried as much as he could to dispel the fear that his mother was feeling and told the poor woman not to worry because whatever she heard from home was fake news. So the purpose of this article is to correct some impression and dispel the fears and tensions that some people are already feeling. We all know fast information, both false and real, travel, and false information in the hands of an illiterate is capable of causing a lot of damages, not just to the person but to society at large. To start with this, we need to stay safe and state this clearly. There is no call on the Igbo people to leave Lagos or any part of Yoruba land, and any such information that is flying about only came from a stark raving man or a mistake and the fake news or thereabout. And I would like you to share your views and comment. The reason why we post all this news is just for you to share your opinion and that shouldn't be taken seriously. 3 days ago, a young man named Adeyinka grandson uploaded a video online saying that the Igbos have been given an ultimatum of 48 hours to leave Yoruba land. If not, they will have themselves to be blamed. It is just his opinion. It's just raising a false alarm. That's his opinion. The right to live, the right to speech. We are in democracy. So he has a right to say whatever he wants to say. You are listening to Independent TV 7. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click the like button. Thanks for listening.